we had a deluge of Rotarians, starting with our distinguished Governor Ernie and Lady Celine, and of course our Vice Governor, who's become a good friend to us. Okay, first I want to thank Maricor, who's like a sister to me. As she said, Kabayan, which means we come from the same province. That's Marinduque. But she's adopted because it's her husband who's from Marinduque. Anyway, I want to thank her for organizing this, and I so look forward to the holding of the Women Economic Forum 2026 at the end. It's going to be a landmark celebration of women around ASEAN. Is as the blessing of Sister said, it's a celebration of our spirits, our hearts, our minds, and our love for one another. I would like to believe that one of the best things that will come out of this is a stronger sisterhood among all of us. We allow each other to shine, to be bold, to be great, and not to be scared of anything. Because when women hold themselves together, nothing is impossible. So, I'd like everyone in this room to stand up and applaud yourself. And then tell your katabi, ang galing ko. Ang galing ko. Yeah. Okay. So, now that all of you are empowered with what I said, you can go home tonight and have your sweet dreams. I love you all.